Hey there, knife enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Japanese-style kitchen knives, and I'm here to tell you, there's a whole lot more to these blades than meets the eye. Now, I know what you're thinking, knives are knives, right? Well, my friends, that's where you'd be wrong. The world of culinary knives is incredibly diverse, and the differences between Western and Japanese styles are not just cosmetic. It's all about the edge, my friends, and how it interacts with your food. So, let's talk about why Japanese knives are so unique. You see, most Western knives have double-edged blades, which is great for certain tasks, but Japanese knives typically have a single edge. This single-edged design allows for a cleaner, more precise cut, especially when you're working with delicate ingredients like fish or fruits and veggies. It's like having a scalpel for your kitchen, and it makes a world of difference in the final presentation of your dishes. Now, if you're a fan of Japanese cuisine or just appreciate the finer points of knife craftsmanship, you're in for a treat. I've rounded up some of the best Japanese-style knives available on Amazon, and the best part? They won't break the bank. All of these knives come in at under $100, so you can upgrade your kitchen arsenal without blowing your budget. First up, we have the Santoku knife, a Japanese classic. This all-purpose knife is a favorite of celebrity chef Ree Drummond, who swears by its versatility. With a 7-inch blade and an ergonomic handle, it's perfect for chopping, dicing, and slicing a wide range of ingredients. And at just $39.95, it's a steal. Next, we've got the Gyuto knife, which has a more Western-style design but still packs that Japanese precision. With an 8-inch blade, it's great for rock chopping and seesawing your way through meats and veggies. This knife is a real workhorse, and at $61.99, it's a solid investment. For those who love to dice and mince, the petty knife is a must-have. Unlike Western paring knives, the petty knife has a slightly more triangular blade, making it perfect for filleting fish and trimming meat. It's a real work of art, and at $19.53, it's a colorful addition to any kitchen. If you're looking for a set to get you started, the Imaku 3-piece knife set is a fantastic option. You get a utility, Santoku, and chef's knife, all made with high-carbon stainless steel and ergonomic handles. It's a great deal at $73.99, and you'll have all the essentials covered. Now, for those who love their veggies, the Nakiri knife is a game-changer. With a thin, double-bevel blade, it's designed specifically for chopping, shredding, and slicing produce. It's particularly useful for turning hard veggies like carrots and daikons into perfect julienne strips. And at $98.99, it's a real investment piece. For those who enjoy a good cleaver, the Imaku cleaver is a must-have. While it's not as heavy as a traditional Western cleaver, it's still sharp and perfect for disjointing bones in poultry and slicing whole fish. It's a real work of art, and at $59.99, it's a great addition to any kitchen. If you're a fan of rotisserie chicken, the Kai Japanese boning knife is a must. With a 5-inch blade, it's perfect for maneuvering between joints and trimming skin. It's a real pro's tool, and at $33.55, it's a great value. For bread lovers, the Hoshinho bread knife is a dream come true. With finer, closer serrations, it cuts through hard bread crusts without shredding the interior. It's a real precision tool, and at $64.99, it's a great investment. For those who want a comprehensive set, the Sayokami 7-piece knife set is a fantastic option. You get a chef's, slicing, and bread knife, plus a Santoku, utility, and paring knife, all with single bevel blades and a foldable wood block for storage. It's a real kitchen essential, and at $89.98, it's a great deal. For the home cooks who have mastered Japanese cutting techniques, the Kiritsuke knife is a must. With a distinctive angle and a super sharp edge, it's perfect for fine slicing and creating detailed garnishes. It's a real work of art, and at $49.99, it's a great value. And finally, for the sushi lovers out there, the Kimake Yenajiba knife is a must-have. With a slim, single-beveled blade, it's perfect for slicing raw fish and creating beautiful sashimi. It's a real sushi chef's tool, and at $47.99, it's a great addition to any home kitchen. So there you have it, folks. A whole range of Japanese-style knives, all under $100, and all ready to elevate your kitchen game. I hope this breakdown has given you a deeper appreciation for the world of culinary knives and inspired you to try something new. Until next time, happy cooking and happy slicing.